Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a small, rocky world resembling Earth's moon with craters and rough terrain. As the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury is only slightly larger than our moon. Over 18 Mercuries could fit inside Earth. Mercury's proximity to the Sun gives it scorching daytime temperatures, but without an atmosphere to trap heat, nights are extremely cold. This small planet races through its orbit, taking only 88 days to complete a year, much shorter than a year on Earth. Mercury's temperature swings drastically, from 800 degrees Fahrenheit 430 degrees Celsius during the day, to minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit minus 200 degrees Celsius at night. With no moons or rings, Mercury orbits the Sun solo. Named after the swift Roman god, it's fitting for this speedy planet. Mercury's thin atmosphere allows meteoroids to create craters, much like our moon. One of the largest, the Caloris Basin, stretches over 900 miles, 1,500 kilometers. Although close to the Sun, Mercury is small, lacks seasons, weather, and any signs of life, making it a truly unique world. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and structure. However, Venus is one of the hottest and most extreme planets, with unique features that set it apart. Though not the closest to the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet, with surface temperatures around 900 degrees Fahrenheit 475 degrees Celsius due to a thick carbon dioxide atmosphere that traps heat. Uniquely, Venus spins backward on its axis, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east, making a day on Venus longer than its year. Venus is shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, giving it a bright yellowish glow and making it one of the brightest objects in our night sky. It's covered in volcanoes, more than any other planet, and may even have some still active today. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus has a rocky, volcanic surface with mountains and valleys, but its dense, scorching atmosphere makes it far too hostile for human life. Spacecraft that have landed on Venus only survived a few hours before succumbing to the intense heat and pressure. Venus, like Mercury, travels solo with no moons or rings. Though similar in size to Earth, its extreme temperature, thick atmosphere, and surface conditions make it vastly different. If Earth is a cozy home, Venus is a blazing, uninhabitable oven. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is the only known planet to support life. With air, water, plants, and animals, it's uniquely suited for life, making it incredibly special. Though the fifth largest in the solar system, at about 8,000 miles, 12,742 kilometers, in diameter, Earth is big enough to host diverse landforms, oceans, and ecosystems. Earth is teeming with life, from tiny bacteria to giant blue whales, thanks to its comfortable distance from the Sun and life-sustaining atmosphere. It is water in all three forms: solid, ice, liquid, oceans, rivers, and lakes, and gas, water vapor and clouds, which powers the water cycle, supporting all living things. Earth's rotation creates day and night in a 24-hour cycle, while its tilted axis gives us seasons as it orbits the Sun. Unlike other planets named after Roman gods, Earth's name comes from Old English and German words meaning ground or soil, reflecting our deep connection to the land. Earth's atmosphere, composed of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, traps warmth, shields us from harmful space radiation, and provides breathable air. Its magnetic field protects us from solar winds and cosmic rays, creating the stunning northern and southern lights. Earth's moon influences ocean tides and changes phases based on its position. Earth is the only planet where humans have traveled to the moon, leaving lasting footprints. Its unique combination of distance from the Sun, atmosphere, and water makes it a one-of-a-kind home for life. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is known as the Red Planet due to its iron oxide surface. It's about half the size of Earth, with a diameter of 4,200 miles, 6,779 kilometers, and features some incredible landscapes. Scientists believe Mars may have once had water and supported life, making it a key target in the search for past life. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are much smaller than Earth's moon and orbit close to the planet. Mars, with a thin atmosphere, is much colder than Earth, averaging about -80 degrees Fahrenheit -62 degrees Celsius, with even colder temperatures at the poles. It features the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, at 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris, stretching 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers. Mars experiences seasons like Earth, but they last about twice as long due to its longer orbit. NASA's rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, explore Mars, searching for signs of water and life while transmitting valuable data back to Earth. With future human exploration planned, scientists are eager to learn more about this fascinating planet. Despite similarities to Earth, such as polar ice caps and seasons, Mars is a cold, dusty desert, starkly different from Earth's vibrant ecosystems.